Today we'll be talking about how you can create a website without needing to know much about coding. I will be explaining some software that you can use to create a website. There are many software you can use to create a website. Examples is WordPress, Google Domain, GoDaddy, and so on. But for this tutorial, we'll only be talking about WordPress. So we are going to be learning what you can use to create a website, what you can create with WordPress, how WordPress works, and the WordPress interface. So let us begin. To create a website without coding, you will need some few things like a domain name and a hosted domain name, access to the cPanel, and internet connection. What I mean by domain name is that you need to buy a domain name. It should be around $6 to $10, and you need to host the domain name after you've bought it. And also, you need to, after buying and hosting the domain name, you need to be able to access your cPanel, and there must be an internet connection for that. So, what can you use to create a website? There are many website softwares, or let me just say, there are many softwares you can use to create a website for free. Examples are the Google Domain, GoDaddy, WordPress, and many more. But we will only be talking about WordPress. So, what is WordPress and what can you create with WordPress? WordPress is a free software that you can use to create a website for free. Meaning there is no paid part, even if you don't know how to code. All you just need to be is to be familiar with the interface. Okay, virtually anyone can use WordPress. To be able to use WordPress, you need to know a little or know about it. You can create a login page with WordPress, a sign up page, and a blog, even a blog website, and many more. So let us look at the interface of WordPress. This is the dashboard of my cPanel. Once you buy your domain name from Namecheap, you are going to be given a link where you are going to log into your cPanel. You are going to create a password and a username. So this is the dashboard. On the dashboard, I can log into my WordPress account using the cPanel dashboard. I'll just click on the WordPress icon. So once I click on it, I'm going to be referred to the Softaculous dashboard. So on the dashboard, I will be asked if which website do I want to install WordPress to. So, and I have two websites. So I've already installed WordPress on my website, that is learnaboutit.com. So I won't be installing any WordPress on my account anymore, on my domain name, because I have installed it previously. So if you have not installed WordPress on your domain name, once you click on that WordPress link on your cPanel dashboard, you are going to be asked to install WordPress on your domain name. So I will click on this WordPress manager. So when I click on the WordPress manager, I will log in. Can you see I have the installations https learnaboutit.com, and the name of the website is Olayinka's blog, and I have a login link, and I can also install manage sets and measure, but we're not going to that. So I'm going to log in to my WordPress dashboard now. So this is the WordPress dashboard. So in the dashboard we have a navigation bar of the name of your website, comments, performances, and many more. At the left side At the side, we have a sidebar which contains the home page, the updates, the posts, media pages, your comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, login, security, and performances. So, but we will only be checking the posts. So when I click on post, these are all the posts I've posted since all this while. So these are the posts. So on WordPress, you can manage people that comment on your website. You can also see the data of your website users. This is the website I created with WordPress. It is a blog website about tech. So when I click on a post, then I'm going to see the contents in full, and I can comment, but I am the admin of the WordPress account, so I don't want to comment. So when I click on this online class blog, I'm going to go back to the home page. I also create a robots.txt file and so on.